Hey, what is going on, my peeps and jelly beans? So this here is my new walking partner. His name is Lowen. And Lowen is Cornish language for happy or joyful. So, and he just turned 16 weeks today. So say hello. Now this video won't be very long, but I just wanted to introduce my new buddy and we have a great time. And right here we are walking on one of my former Perrin, my former walking partner. We're walking on one of his favorite paths. So anyway, so this is a short video today, so please enjoy. Hey, Lowen, say hi to the camera. Hi. Yeah, hi. Okay. All right, let's go, Lowen. So anyway, more longer videos in the future when I get a chance. So come on. All that woods, yeah. Good boy, come on. So this is not one of the better paths, but it is Perrin's one of his favorites. And Perrin usually went off leash, but you know, that's because he could be trusted. Oh my goodness. Ooh, squirrel. Squirrel. Look at that, Lowen. Squirrel. Oops. Fun. All right. Let's go, Lowen. Good boy. All right, so oh, Lowen, let's go, buddy. No puddles. Yeah, that was another thing. Perrin used to like puddles. Anyway, come on, Lowen, let's go. In front, pup. Come on, let's go, buddy. Let's go, little buddy. Come on. So, woohoo! Puppies are a little chaotic when it comes to walking on leash, but for a puppy, he's not bad. He's really not bad at it. Come on, Lowen, let's go. So, I guess that's it, my peeps and jelly beans. I'll catch you guys later. So, from Lowen and I, bye.